kwenye kilokola. Mokwe tamara.
Jesus.
Bola. Antile bola. 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 Bola fufu tu bola. 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 Bola.
Hey, fufunya
Antikola.
Is it a wonder that we claim to be a sovereign state, a people with a constitution and legal institutions of state, having leaders and a host of appointees, and yet we almost always seem lost on solving our problems? Has the spillage issue not gone to rest? Do we know that if it rains this year as it did last year, we'll have no choice than to experience yet another flood out of another spillage? Are we waiting to have this bad experience again? Or something is being done to avert the problem? Do we know that what looks like a problem with the application of wisdom could turn into a blessing for our country, Ghana? We should be working towards trapping water from the dam anytime there has to be a spillage for reuse. We could farm with it or treat for people to use in their homes. And it's because of such projects that we must get the full benefits from our resources. Let's give God the cause to clap for us, Ghana. Let's show ourselves worthy as a people. It is very, very important, I repeat. Let's give God the cause to clap for us. Let's show ourselves worthy as a people. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Thank you.